Hi, my name is Dr. Daphna Slonim. I'm a psychiatrist and I'm private practice in Beverly Hills, and I use a lot of energy psychology techniques in my practice, which I found to be superior a lot of times to classical psychological, state-of-the-art psychological intervention, especially in the treatment of trauma. I was recently commissioned by NATO and conducted two workshops where I taught European psychologists the treatment of post-traumatic stress disorder with energy psychology, and I also taught them my unique technique of sabotage correction technique. This technique I developed when I found out that a lot of time people cannot get over the trauma if they have suppressed negative emotions or imprints that make it either unsafe for them to get over the trauma, or if they feel they do not deserve to get over the trauma, or if others do not deserve to get over the trauma. And I work with Israeli veterans that were having post-traumatic stress disorder and were treated for years without any improvement, till I found out, working with them using energy muscle testing, that some of them felt they did not deserve to get over the trauma because they had survival guilt. They felt totally without a foundation, that they were guilty of not saving their fellow veterans from being killed. Some of them felt angry at the government, at their commanders, and even at the enemy for all that happened. And we were able to release that, and they were up on their way to improvement. And a lot of time I found out that people are afraid to get over the trauma, subconsciously afraid, and they didn't know what's really stopping them. People were afraid that if they let go their guards, the trauma may repeat itself. People felt that it was unsafe for them to get over the trauma because then, they will not accept themselves. For example, I had a mother who didn't feel it was right for her, was safe for her to let go of the trauma of the death of her daughter, because she felt she wouldn't be a good mother. She wouldn't accept herself, and other people would judge her for being happy after she lost her daughter. So there are a variety of reasons why people don't feel safe to get over the trauma. And I became completely convinced that in order to get over the trauma, first need to detect and remove subconscious sabotage. And I can get to the subconscious blocks in few seconds, and then use energy psychology technique, which are amazingly powerful in treating trauma.